Hello friends, welcome. Today we'll share Jim Carrey inspiring story, a journey to motivate you and improve your English speaking and listening skills. Jim Carrey, a journey from poverty to Hollywood stardom. Jim Carrey is one of the most cherished comedians and actors out there, famous for his high energy performances and one of a kind sense of humor. But behind all the laughter lies a tale of hardship, resilience, and an unyielding drive to succeed. His transformation from a struggling Canadian kid to a Hollywood icon is a powerful reminder of what perseverance and self belief can achieve. Humble beginnings, born on January 17th, 1962, in Newmarket, Ontario, Canada. Jim Carrey grew up in a middle class family. His dad, Percy Carrey, juggled roles as an accountant and a musician, while his mum, Kathleen, took care of the home. For the early years, life was pretty stable, but everything changed when his father lost his job. The financial strain hit the Carey family hard. They had to leave their home and even spend some time living in a van. Jim and his siblings pitched in to help make ends meet. At just 15, he took on a janitorial job, scrubbing floors and cleaning toilets. Yet, through all these challenges, his passion for making people laugh never wavered. A dream begins from a young age. Jim Carrey had a flair for performing. He would pull funny faces in the mirror, mimic his teachers, and entertain his friends. He dreamed of becoming a comedian, and even though times were tough, his father supported his aspirations. At 15, Jim took the plunge and performed his first stand up routine at a local comedy club in Toronto. It didn't go as planned. He was booed off the stage. Many would have thrown in the towel after such a setback, but not Jim. He kept honing his craft, refining his jokes, and learning how to engage an audience. Struggles in Hollywood. Understanding that his big break lay in Los Angeles, the epicenter of the entertainment world, Jim packed his bags and drove there with hardly any money to his name. He began performing in comedy clubs, but it was a tough road filled with rejection after rejection as he fought to find his footing in the industry. During tough times, he took a bold step and wrote himself a check for $10 million, dating it for 10 years down the line, and tucked it away in his wallet. He made a promise to himself that one day he would earn that much for a movie role. This act of self belief fueled him through the hardest moments. The big break Jim's big break arrived in the early 1990s when he landed a spot on the comedy sketch show In Living Color. His vibrant energy and larger-than-life characters made him impossible to ignore. Audiences adored him, and soon enough, Hollywood started to pay attention. Then, in 1994, everything shifted. Jim starred in 3 blockbuster films in just 1 year: Ace Ventura, Pet Detective, The Mask, Dumb and Dumber. All 3 films became huge hits, catapulting Jim Carrey into the spotlight. His dream had finally materialized. Remarkably, within the 10-year time frame he had set for himself, he was offered $10 million for his role in Dumb and Dumber, just like the check he had written to himself years before. Becoming a Hollywood superstar, Jim Carrey's career took off like a rocket. He went on to star in massive hits like Liar Liar, Bruce Almighty, The Truman Show, and How the Grinch Stole Christmas. He wasn't just a comedian. He showcased his ability to tackle serious roles as well. His performance in The Truman Show earned him critical acclaim, proving to the world that he was more than just a funny face. In 1999, he snagged his first Golden Globe Award for The Truman Show and followed it up with another for Man on the Moon in 2000. Challenges and comebacks. Despite his success, Jim Carrey faced his share of personal challenges. He struggled with depression and the weight of fame. He took a step back from Hollywood for a while, focusing on personal growth and spirituality. But Jim never let go of his love for acting. he made a triumphant return with roles in films like Sonic the Hedgehog 2020, reminding everyone that he still had the charm and magic that made audiences fall in love with him. Jim Carrey's legacy goes beyond just fame and fortune. It's a testament to resilience, self belief, and the incredible strength that comes from never giving up. From his humble beginnings as a teenager scrubbing floors to becoming a Hollywood icon, his journey serves as an inspiration to millions around the globe. The essence of his message is clear: have faith in yourself, put in the effort, and don't let setbacks define who you are. Gyugikut. Please subscribe to my channel, press bell icon.